Hi there. Today we will solve Leetcode problem number 187, which is repeated DNA sequence. So basically, DNA sequence is nothing but a series of uh, letters like A, C, Z, and T. And all we have to return is a 10-letter substring that occur more than once. Okay. So what is substring? A substring is nothing but a contiguous element of a string. Okay, so what do we mean by contiguous element? Here we can say that from here to here is a substring, from here to here also is a substring, here to here is also a substring, and basically all the contiguous element can be said as substring. So from here to here is also a substring, and also this single element can be called as a substring. Got it? But what we cannot say that this A, this C, and this A is a substring because they are not contiguous element. Okay. So this is our given example. Here we can see that um, this 10 letter substring repeated twice here also, and there is another which is this. Yes, this also occurs more than once, so we'll have to return these two string. Got it? So our output will be this string and also this string. Okay, I think I got it. So what will be our steps? Our first step will be we will loop through all the elements and take 10 words at a time. And secondly, we will keep track of every 10 elements which is repeated or not. So our first step is looping through the elements. So here we will not loop through all the elements, but instead we will loop through a len of s minus 9. Why len of s minus 9? You will get to know in a second. So when our I value is 0, the string s of I is to I plus 10 will take index of 0 to 10, and our words will be this. And secondly, when I value is 1, then s of I is to I plus 10 will take index to 1 to 11. Okay, our words will be this. And then I value 2 index 2 to 12, and our words is this. And when I will reach at the end our I value is 22, then the s of I is to I plus 10 will take index of 22 to 32, and our words will be this. So basically we will not need to loop through the all the elements. We can loop through up to 22, which is len of s minus 9, and hereby we can reach all the elements. Okay. So our second step is we'll take a set called sin, which don't contain duplicate elements. We know set in Python don't contain duplicate elements, and we will take another array which is our result array to contain um, that the strings that occur more than once. Okay, so we will our 10 letter string, we'll see that our 10 letter string is in the scene set or not. If it is in our scene set, then we will can say that it occurs more than once, so we will add to our result array. Okay, and if this is not in our scene set, then what we will do, we will simply add it to our scene set. Okay, I think you got it. And this is our full code. uh, Thank you for your time. See you soon.